Hi, I'm Ashley Evans, and I'm here with Mike Zakel to break down one of the most overlooked metrics in data center construction, precision tolerances, and why they can make or break a successful ramp-up. Mike, let's start with the basics. Why do positive-negative tolerances matter so much for racks, platforms, and airflow housings in a data center?
Well, tolerances are really the difference between components that fit perfectly and components that require hours or days of additional field rework. For racks, platforms, and airflow housings, even a few millimeters of drift can throw off the alignment of servers, duct transitions, or floor systems. When APCs are really trying to be aggressive with their ramp-up and timelines, this precision becomes a hidden KPI that determines how fast commissioning can actually work.
What are some of the most common QA failures you see in traditional fabrication shops?
Most traditional shops struggle with repeatability. You'll see inconsistent weld penetration, variation in hole alignments, rack frames coming out of square, housings that with flange warping, mismatched documentation, the as-built versus the actual conditions there. None of these look catastrophic on paper, but they cause on-site misalignment, error leakage, vibration issues, and worst of all, schedule slip.
How does Youngstrom solve this with high-precision CNC machining and certified welding?
At Youngstrom, all the critical interfaces run through CNC machining, so tolerances are controlled down to the thousands. Our welders are qualified to the highest structural and ASME standards, which means every frame, housing, or platform meets the consistent repeatability specs. Developers get parts that fit the first time, not the third time after field rework.
How does this level of precision reduce on-site rework and commissioning issues?
When components arrive perfectly aligned, installation becomes a plug and play. That means fewer craned resets, fewer layout corrections, fewer shim packs that are needed, dramatically improving really the finishing work. For commissioning, of course, correct tolerances eliminate the biggest trouble spots: airflow leakage, vibration, mechanical binding, and the end result, of course, is faster ramp up and far fewer last-minute surprises.
If precision is the hidden KPI behind successful ramp-ups, Youngstrom is the partner that delivers it. Their high-accuracy fabrication keeps schedules tight, commissioning smooth, and multi-site programs consistent.